So making the jump from corporate America to entrepreneurship was actually a more bold move.
Mm-hmm.
But the number one thing that I knew I had to do before jumping is having a financial strategy in place. Before asking someone for something, I would always offer first. So then, it starts to build into the fact that reciprocity makes this whole world go round. One
Yes.
day you're going to need something from me, and I'm going to need something from you. And as long as we always keep each other, first and foremost valuable and respectful in our relationships, it doesn't feel one-sided.
Mm.
And so I just love that. And for me, it takes seconds and moments to say, oh, I ran across this article or this book or this conference that you might be interested in. I'm going to send it to you. I'm not even looking for acknowledgement or even a reply.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need you to reply. But my mind works in a way that a Rolodex does. So
Mm-hmm.
I start learning what makes you passionate about what you do. And every time I come across an article or a person or a book or a conference that resonates with what you're interested in, I send it to you.
Mm.
And that's very powerful, and it takes seconds. And so that's what I've built my relationships on.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to do it. You should know it, but someone else can help you be productive. And it's going to cost you way less than you sitting in front of a computer for 6 hours trying to figure out a template. The misconception with LinkedIn still lies in others thinking, oh, well, I'm only on LinkedIn if I'm looking for a job. I've been at this job for 15 years and so I'm fine, right? Until you're not. People also think that LinkedIn is just basically a copy and paste of their resume, when it's not. LinkedIn actually works as a very diverse, very colorful, very transparent platform where you
Mm-hmm.
can say, yes, I'm an accountant at X company, but I also bake on the side and I give Zumba lessons. And this is why
Mm.
it all makes sense for my personal and professional story.